Okay, these are the last two R32 condensers that I have. So when they decided to stop making the R32 condensers, I went out and bought 15 2-ton and 2.5 ton units. You can see right here, R22 unit. So these are my last two. So basically what happened is I never got into the 410a systems. I think I installed 2 of them. When we had an issue with replacement, I always used one of our replacement condensers in the R22 system. So for me it worked out pretty good. At this point I'm kind of running out of refrigerant. I still have some left. So I kind of skipped over the 410a thing. So now I'm at the point where we do need some replacements for new installs. So what do I do now? Do I go with the 410a or do I wait for the new R32 a refrigerant? So I actually skipped that entire 410a period of time. So you can see here that we have quite a few units that are 25 years old, and they are ready right now to be replaced. So that question is, 410a or hold out for the R32. So I've shown you 6 of them right now, and there's a lot more. These units here, they're probably 25 years old, so they need replaced. Now, this is where we come into the problem, is what can we do now? Here's my R22 stash. I still have a full tank, probably 2 full tanks, 30 pounds each. Now I did buy a jug of 410a. There's not too much in them. I did buy a jug of 410a because I put in a couple of systems and I wanted some on hand. This is for cars. That's why I have the 134A. But I don't know where it went. But we do have 410A around here. We even have R12 up there for the older cars. Right now, I'm using up my reclaimed R22. I have a little bit of that. So, I'm pretty good with R22 right now. These units, they are still full of R22. I have to reclaim them or reuse them. All of them have, or these 2 have bad compressors. So, but besides that, there's nothing wrong here. This one is good. It was just too big. So I pulled it out and put a smaller one in. And there's nothing wrong with that one. And they are full of refrigerant.